How to assign emotes in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can assign emotes to your avatar in Roblox. So the steps to do this is fairly very easy. All you will need to do is simply follow these simple and easy steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply click over to your profile picture of the avatar, and once you will do this, you can see your avatar right here. Then you will need to click onto this edit avatar, and from here make sure that if you are on this all section, go to this emotes option, and instead of marketplace, click onto this customize option. Now if you have some successfully selected the customize and emotes, you can see all of the emotes that you currently own and the different lots on which you can assign each one of them. So let's say for the first lot, I'm gonna assign this particular emoji or emote that is the stadium. So I'll simply select it, and now you can see that the stadium emote has been successfully allotted to the first lot. Now for the second lot, I'm going to choose this point to emote, and similarly for the third and fourth, like this, I can acquire up to 8 emotes at a time. So that's how easily you can assign emotes in your Roblox avatar. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.